Do you want custom fonts in your HTML like this? Well, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to get them. If we look at our CSS here, custom font 1 and custom font 2, these are not at all in CSS. These are completely custom, and I will show you how to get them yourself.
Okay, so let me begin with the tutorial. First, I'm going to create a header 1, and I'll call it test in full caps. So, yeah, that's really all we need to do. It's a simple test. I'm going to show you the important steps now. So we want to go to fonts.google.com and let's just browse for fonts. To see, you just browse for fonts to see which one you like. I'm going to go with this one. It looks like you know what? Never mind. I'll go with something a little more appealing than that. I'll go with this. This looks like handwriting. I'll go with this. So then you want to go download family. So it'll give you a zip file. So you want to go to easyzip.com. Click unzip. And then choose your zip file. And then click extract. So we have an OFL.txt. We don't need that. We want the TTF, true type font, or fonts, I forget. So we want to download that. There we go. Now let me show you how to import it. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have drag and dropped it into the files. So now we have a true type file. So on its own, it'll just look like this big blob of random text, but that'll all change when we actually use it. So if we go and type a specific keyword at font face, so we can go here and take that tip. And for font family, we can name it whatever we want. I'm going to call it handwriting. There we go. Then for the URL, we want to, oh wait, let me actually just rename this because I'm not going to type the entire thing. Let's call it shadow into light, or whatever it was called, shadow into light. So we want to type in the name of our file, shadow into light.ttf. And there we go. That's our font imported. So now let's use it. So since we have an H1 called test, we can select that H1 and let's go font family is hand writing. So that's the name of our font here. Actually, let's add some extra styling. Font weight. Okay, I don't know if this will work. This is basically just me trying to experiment a bit. So I'm going to put this in after it works, after we run it and it works. So yeah, we have all of that. I'll just put colors, I don't know, I'll just go dark red. So now if we run it, we can see we have our font, our custom font called handwriting. So now let me try to experiment. So if we put font weight bold, yeah, that did not work. I think that just made it lighter, like thinner. So let me try going font weight light just for like the fun of it. Maybe it'll make it bolder, who knows. Lighter. Okay, what's the change without it? Yeah, no change. So if you say font weight bold, it becomes lighter, thinner for some reason. I don't see the logic in that. But as you can see, we have our custom font. So I'm going to style this thing up a bit, and I'll see you after I finish, like creating a decent, half decent page. So I decided to create a mock web page. I almost said walk web page. How funny. Um, so I styled it up a bit. You can use it if you actually want to make your own web page. So I'll put the link to it in the description down below. And I know many of you don't actually look in that area, but trust me, you're going to want to. So I used another imported font. I named it Showcase. I used it here too. I put it. So yeah, it's just like everything on a normal web page. Well, not everything, just like some simple stuff. The title, picture, about me, and then about the person. I put lorem ipsum dolus emet text, so because I have nothing to write. But you guys are going, if you want to create something like this, make sure to you know fork this on Replit. I'll put the link down below. But yep, that's about it for my custom fonts tutorial. It's a very easy if you just follow the stuff I showed you. Well, follow the steps I showed you, and you'll get it in no time. So if you want to add it on like a website for WordPress, you can like import. I think it's called plugins. Yeah, you can import fonts there and then use them. But I prefer to do it the old-fashioned HTML CSS way. But that's just me. You can use WordPress plugins for that. But anyway, that's the end of my tutorial on how to make custom fonts. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below if you have any feedback or ideas. Dark shadow codes